Here I've got Xiaomi Black Shark 2, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all apps, then find and select the settings, now locate and open sound, and here you've got phone ringtone right here. So let me show you all of them, all ringtones that you can apply. And then just pick the ringtone that you would like to apply. So let me choose, for example, Pixel. Tap on OK, and as you can see, your ringtone has been changed. So this is a new one. So that would be all. So you can smoothly and easily change your ringtone in your Xiaomi. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.